This is just a very quick demonstration regarding item ledger entries and viewing item histories, seeing where you previously bought the parts from, what you previously purchased them for, and what you're typically selling them for, and to what jobs you sold them onto. So to get to item ledgers, you just go to your item list. I'm going to use this Euro car parts number as an example. You see here we've got current inventory, quantity on job sheets. For me, I've got inventory at all locations. On order and on return, and then just a few other bits of information here. So one of the things that you can actually do is assign a vendor number to a particular part number. So if you want a very quick summary of where that part is typically bought from, you can find that out here. One of Garage Hive's features is you can buy part numbers from varying different suppliers, which is not very typical, but it does happen. So we're going to go into the item ledgers. To go into the item ledger entries, you simply select one of these values here. In this case, I'm going to look at the item ledger entries for all locations. And you can see what I've got here is a list of dates, purchases and sales, document numbers, and locations. And on the right hand side, I've got the cost. So what I can see here is that our price is just slowly increasing on this part number, and it has done over the last year or so. You can see that we've never actually put a value on selling it, and this is because we do fixed price servicing, so we absorb the cost, the sale value of oil filters on a separate line within our job sheets. So what I can do from here, I can either select navigate at the top, and this is going to give me all of the ledgers that have been affected by this part being sold, or I can actually just look at the receipt. So if I wanted to see where I purchased this part from, I can open the receipt straight away and see which other parts were received at the same time. Or I can actually click on this cost amount actual here, and I can see the source was Euro. So you can very quickly identify where you bought parts from and when you bought those parts for, like I said, warranty issues, etc. If you've got any other questions, it's just a very, very brief summary of item ledgers. There is a lot of detail behind this, but this is just a very quick overview of how to view a history of an item. Any questions, please let me know.